Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with this updo style that I created because I wanted to have something different. I wanted a lot of volume and some structure. So what I'm doing is I'm making not high but not low ponytail, something in the middle, and then I section 3 strands off of this ponytail, and in the first 2 to 3 inches I'm inserting another elastic. So now I'm taking the right hand side, check that they have the same length more or less, and then do the same thing with the middle strand. Check the length. And now you have 3 ponytails with a section, and we're going to flip the ponytail not from down on the top, no, from the top down. So flip it under. Do this 3 times with every strand. Third one. And now pull the outer edges and make the flipped over part wider. Do this also again 3 times. And we're going to lift these up, so just push the hair tie under it, fold it a bit, take some bobby pins, grab them. There they are, and I'm holding them in my mouth because I have nowhere else to put them so that I can keep on filming. And then I'm taking the bobby pins into the little hair tie. After the left hand side, I do my right side, holding it, and I try to grab the hair tie and bring it into the big hair tie. In the middle one, I do exactly the same, so you have a base of 3 little buns, and they will look like a flower shape. I want them to be more uplifted, so now I'm taking 3 more bobby pins and I'm fixing the top of each bubble on the top of my hair. That's it. With the rest, I'm just doing a Dutch braid, so take the 3 strands and braid left under the middle strand, right under the middle strand, left under the middle strand, right under the middle strand. And then when you reach the neck, you just take another hair tie and secure everything together. Then you fold it under, hold it, grab more bobby pins, and secure the middle part with the outer edge. Make sure that what you folded under stays in place. So if you cross the bobby pins, they are more secure. There's some boings or loose strands, you can use more, and I'm just decorating with 2 little hearts that I had. That gives me like pins, a bit more support. That's it. I love how it looks from the top, and I love the shape. Hope you like it too. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hope to see you back very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.